Good morning, everybody, and how you doing? It's Tuesday, and it's May the 10th, and we have no shout-outs today, but I do have a little short music history lesson for you. April 27th, Judy Henske passed away, and if you don't know who she was an incredibly gifted singer and songwriter who never made it real big, sadly. In 1963-64, she was part of the folk music scene, and she had she had these pipes that were just like, she could really belt it out. And she was on a short-lived TV show that was based around hootenannies, and then she kind of faded, and then she came back again in 1970 with her then husband Jerry Yester, who was a replacement member in the Lovin' Spoonful for a while, and they did this album called Farewell Aldebaran, and it was it was 1970 kind of personified, psychedelic, folk, rock. It touched a lot of bases, really cool songs. And then in 72 she divorced him and married this guy named Craig Durgee, who was a piano player. And he had played with Crosby and Nash and all those guys, James Taylor. And they formed an album called Rosebud, a group called Rosebud, and they put out, I think, just one album, and then they were done. And then she kind of fell off the map for the longest time, and then kind of put an album out under her own name in, I think, 2004, called Loose in the World. And then that was it. And so she was 85 when she passed, and she had just the dynamite voice. If you get a chance to check her out on YouTube or Spotify or Apple Music or wherever you can, you should check her out. She was a real imposing presence on stage too, apparently. She was about 6 feet tall, and she could sing. So this song that I'm going to do was from her very first album, I believe. Or maybe her second. I think it was her second. 64, it was a moderate hit. The guy who wrote it, his name was Billy Ed Wheeler, and he was a folk singer. He didn't actually put it out on a recording until 1967. So, and later on, Richie Havens had it on an album, and the Jefferson Airplane had it on an album. And I heard it on an album by H.P. Lovecraft, who were a Chicago group. They did a very nice version. So this is Judy Henske and High Flying Bird. There's a high flying bird way up in the sky, and I wonder, does she look down here as she flies on by, riding there so free and easy in the sky? Well, look at me here, I'm rooted like a tree here. I got the sit down, can't cry, can't fly, I'm gonna die blue. Sun comes along, it lights up the day. Tired, she just moves on over away, rising in the east, she lights up the day. Hey, hey, but look at me here, I'm rooted like a tree here. I got the sit down high flying bird way up in the sky. When he looks down here and watches as he flies on by, rising up so easy in the sky. Well, look at me here. I'm rooted like a tree here. I got to sit down, can't cry, can't fly, I'm gonna die. Sit down, can't cry, can't fly, I'm gonna die. Sit down, can't cry, can't cry, I'm gonna die blue. It's a high-flying bird. And this next tune comes off of that album I was talking about, Farewell Aldebaran. And it's a cool song called Raider. The Raider stole the Morgan mare, slick as she was sly. She blackjacked Raiders, robbed her heart, and taught him how to fly. She blackjacked Raiders, robbed her heart, and taught him how to fly. Raider, she cried, there's tears in your eyes. Oh, you're dreaming me. Shake you, Raider, from your sleep, your time it is all gone. Give the little mare her hand, she will bring you home. Give the little mare her hand, she will bring you home. Raider, she cried, there's tears in your eyes. Oh, you're dreaming me. Raider sleeps out in the cold, Raider's growing old. Freezing winter banks the fires to keep the mare from cold. Freezing winter banks the fire to keep the mare from cold. Raider, she cries, there's tears in your eyes. Oh, you're dreaming me. Raider stole the Morgan mare, slick as she was sly. She blackjacked Raiders, robbed her heart, and taught him how to fly. Blackjack Raiders, robbed her heart, and taught him how to fly. Raider, she cries, there's tears in my eyes. Oh, you're dreaming me. Oh, you're dreaming me. Oh, you're dreaming me. Oh, you're dreaming me. That's Judy Henske. Check her out. I think you would like her a lot. She's really got a great voice. And that's your songs for your Tuesday. Hope you guys have a great day today, and we'll see you tomorrow. Stay safe and keep on the sunny side. We love you guys. Bye-bye.